Vietnam, a Southeast Asian country brimming with extraordinary natural and cultural wonders. From mesmerizing bays and colossal caves to cities rich in history, Vietnam offers an array of stunning destinations. With its diverse landscapes and vibrant culture, this country has become one of the world's top travel destinations. Let's explore the 10 most incredible places in Vietnam that you must visit. One, Ha Long Bay. Located in northern Vietnam, Ha Long Bay is one of the world's natural wonders and has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1994. With over 1,600 limestone islands scattered across its emerald waters, this place offers a breathtaking panorama. These islands were formed over millions of years through geological processes, creating a truly unique and mesmerizing landscape. Visitors can embark on a journey aboard a traditional junk boat, sailing past exotic islands and exploring natural caves like Sung Sat Cave, Surprise Cave, and Dao Go Cave, home to spectacular stalactites and stalagmites. Other activities include swimming, kayaking, and diving to discover the bay's underwater beauty. Two, Sun Dung Cave. Vietnam is also home to the world's largest cave, Sun Dung Cave, located in Quang Binh Province. Discovered in 2009, this colossal cave boasts its own ecosystem, including forests and an underground river. It stretches over 5 kilometers in length and is tall enough to fit a 40-story skyscraper inside. Formed over 3 million years ago by the Rao Thuong River eroding the limestone, Sun Dung Cave features massive dolines, large openings that allow sunlight to enter, creating a unique ecosystem within. Trekking to this cave takes several days and requires special permits due to its high level of difficulty. Three, Hoi An Ancient Town. Known as the City of Lanterns, Hoi An is an ancient town that has preserved its charm since the 15th century. With well-preserved colonial architecture, the iconic Japanese covered bridge, and enchanting night markets, Hoi An offers a unique cultural experience. Between the 16th and 19th centuries, Hoi An was a vital trading port visited by merchants from China, Japan, and Europe. Their cultural influences are still evident in the town's ancient houses, temples, and Chinese assembly halls. One of the main attractions is the Hoi An Night Market, offering a variety of local delicacies such as chow lao, banh mi Hoi An, and exquisite souvenirs like silk garments and handcrafted goods. As night falls, hundreds of lanterns illuminate the streets, creating a magical and romantic atmosphere. Fourth, Sapa Highlands. For nature lovers, Sapa is a hidden paradise in northern Vietnam. Situated at an altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level, Sapa is renowned for its breathtaking terraced rice fields, cultivated by ethnic minority groups such as the Hmong, Dao, and Tay people. Beyond its stunning landscapes, Sapa offers rich cultural experiences. Visitors can interact with locals, learn about their traditions, and sample mountain delicacies like thang ko, a traditional Hmong horse meat soup. Popular activities in Sapa include trekking through the Muang Hoa Valley, where visitors can admire mesmerizing rice terraces. For adventurers, climbing Fancy Pan Mountain, the highest peak in Vietnam, is a challenge not to be missed. Five, Hanoi. As the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi is a city where history meets modernity. It is filled with French colonial buildings, ancient temples, and bustling streets lined with Vietnamese street food stalls. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is Hoan Kiem Lake, which is steeped in the legend of a mythical sword. In the center of the lake stands Ngoc Son Temple, built on a small island and dedicated to General Tran Hung Dao, a hero who defeated the Mongols in the 13th century. Every morning, locals gather around the lake for Tai Chi, creating a serene and harmonious atmosphere. Hanoi is also famous for its Old Quarter, a historic district filled with narrow streets, traditional shops, and food vendors serving iconic dishes like pho bo, beef noodle soup, and bun cha, grilled pork with rice noodles. Six, Ho Chi Minh City. As Vietnam's largest city, Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, offers a dynamic urban atmosphere with deep historical significance. It is the country's economic and cultural hub, with well-preserved French colonial architecture. One of the city's highlights is the War Remnants Museum, showcasing artifacts, photographs, and military vehicles from the Vietnam War. For a modern touch, the Bitexco Financial Tower provides a 360-degree panoramic view of the city. Don't forget to visit Ben Thanh Market, where you can savor traditional Vietnamese delicacies such as po, banh mi, and the world-famous Vietnamese coffee. Seventh, Mekong Delta. Located in southern Vietnam, the Mekong Delta is a fertile region that serves as the country's agricultural heartland. The vast Mekong River forms a network of canals and farmlands that produce rice, tropical fruits, and fishery products. A major attraction here is the floating markets, such as those in Cai Rang and Can Tho, where traders sell fresh produce directly from their boats. Visitors can explore the winding canals in wooden boats, experience authentic rural life, and sample freshly picked tropical fruits. Eight. Phu Quoc Island. For those seeking tranquility, Phu Quoc Island offers pristine white sand beaches with crystal clear waters. As Vietnam's largest island, Phu Quoc is a tropical paradise with luxury resorts, lush rainforests, and vibrant marine life. Sao Beach is known for its powdery white sand, while Long Beach provides the best sunset views in Vietnam. Visitors can also explore Phu Quoc National Park, home to rare flora and fauna. Snorkeling and diving around the island are also popular activities. Nine. Ninh Binh. Dubbed the Ha Long Bay on land, Ninh Binh features spectacular karst formations rising above lush rice fields and tranquil rivers. One of the best places to explore is Trang An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with an intricate system of caves and waterways. Visitors can take a traditional rowing boat along the No Dong River, passing through hidden caves and serene landscapes. Mua Cave Viewpoint is also a must-visit, offering a breathtaking panoramic view from the top of a limestone hill. Tenth. Phan Xipang Mountain. For avid hikers, Phan Xipang Mountain is the tallest peak in Indochina, standing at 3,147 meters above sea level. Known as the Roof of Indochina, the summit provides breathtaking views above the clouds. Hikers can reach the top in 2 to 3 days, or take the easier route via the Phan Xipang Legend cable car, one of the highest and longest cable cars in the world. At the summit, a Buddhist temple complex offers a tranquil and spiritual experience. Vietnam is a land of extraordinary natural beauty, rich culture, and fascinating history. From the world's largest cave to charming historic cities, every corner of Vietnam holds something unique. Which destination would you visit first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel content. See you in the next video.